My name's Bree. I work for the Clay County Conservation Board. I am your naturalist. Today I wanted you to hear the frogs. Now we are at Oneota Park, and there is a couple wet areas that the frogs have now found their place to sing their song in the springtime. Now this is by no means complete scientific, but when I hear frog sounds, my personal self, when I hear frog sounds, I know it's springtime. This is the earliest I've heard frog sounds for a while now, and that is pretty cool. Now I know it's springtime. And the sound that you are hearing, I've been here for a couple of minutes or so, and the sounds that I've been hearing is the spring peeper, American toad, and then the northern leopard frog. And the spring peeper is part of the chorus family, and it has a X down its back, and it's the loudest. That is the peep 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 sound that you definitely hear. And the trill is the northern leopard, and then the really deep pitch is the American frog. And we'll get to those sounds in a second. But I kind of want to talk about what makes a frog a frog. Now frogs, they are amphibious, so that means they spend part of their time in the water and rest of their time on land. So as a baby, they are in eggs in the water. The mom frogs lays their eggs in the water, and then they hatch out, and they swim, and they become a tadpole. Now tadpoles, we find lots of tadpoles out at Oneota Park all summer long. Tadpoles, and then the tadpole will become a froglet, and they'll grow their legs, and then they'll grow their back legs, and then they'll grow their front legs, and then they'll really kind of form that frog structure that we know, but they'll still have a tail. And they'll get a little bigger, but they'll still show that little tail. And then they become, you said it, a frog. So this is a northern leopard frog. Okay, northern leopard frog has those spots like a leopard. Okay, those are very common in Spencer, around Spencer. The chorus frogs are common, and the American toad. Now, American toads, the difference between a toad and a frog: toad is bumpy, and they don't have webbed feet. Frogs, they're really slimy, and they have webbed feet. Now, if you can hear it, now it's very loud, which is awesome. This is the best concert that I've ever been to, is a frog concert. So if you can hear it, so here is American toad, kind of that high trill. Now this is the identifier. I am doing that sound. And then I also have the chorus frog. And then the spring peeper. Peep, peep, peep. And then the northern leopard frog. Kind of sounds like a woodpecker, but that's a northern leopard frog. And then a bullfrog kind of sounds like that doo doo. There's your bullfrog. Then we have a wood frog. We do have wood frogs here at Oneota, and that's a wood frog. Kind of sounds like an old crickety chair. But I have a mission for you guys. It's to go out in your backyard, socially distance, and look at, see if you can hear frog sounds. See if you can hear the frog sounds, and try to identify the frog sounds, or try to make your own frog sound.